As the question says, radioactive isotopes are produced in a nuclear physics experiment at a constant rate dN by dt equal to R. An inductor of inductance 100 millihenry, a resistor of resistance 100 ohms, and a battery are connected to form a series circuit. The circuit is switched on at the instant the production of radioactive isotopes starts. It is found that I by N remains constant in time, where I is the current in the circuit and N is the number of active nuclei at time t. Find the half-life of the isotope. Now, how to proceed in this question is that we need to find out the half-life, and we know that half-life is ln 2 by lambda. So if we can manage to find out lambda from the above equation, then we can find out the half-life. Now, looking for lambda, we have been given that dN by dt is constant, that is R, and we all know that it is also equals to dN by dt to the minus lambda n. Now this says that lambda is actually, what is the purpose of giving this information that dN by dt is constant R is just to confirm you that lambda is actually constant. Now if lambda is constant, we can find the value of lambda and put it in this equation to find the half-life of the isotope. Now let us work to find the lambda for this question. Now we have been given that I by N is constant. Let that constant be some random constant C. Now they have given us a series circuit of inductance, resistance and battery, and we know that for such a circuit the current at time t is given by I naught into 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau. Right? And the active nuclei N. See, we have N equal to N naught e to the power minus lambda t. But the active nuclei are actually N naught into 1 minus e to the power minus lambda t. So we can have this constant equals to I naught over N naught into 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau over 1 minus e to the power minus lambda t. Now if we want this RHS to be constant, then these two factors must cancel out each other in order to cancel any time containing term. This means, now simply you can't get this as twice of this or thrice of this. There cannot be a common multiple because it is an actually arithmetic operation with 1. Suppose it would have been just e to the power minus t by tau and e to the power minus lambda t, then we could have a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But right now, this whole factor has to be cancelled out. And the only possibility to cancel the time term for this equation is when this is equals to this. And from this we can deduce that e to the power t by tau equal to e to the power lambda t, because minus gets cancelled. And from this we get cancelling the tau term, that lambda comes out to be 1 by tau in such a case. Now see, this is a specific case when this I by N is actually constant. And that has been given in the question. That is why we are working this as a significant case. Now let us find the tau. Tau for an inductive circuit, rather inductive series circuit, is L by R, that we know by the chapter of capacitance and the inductance when we worked out the circuits, L by R. Now L is 100 by 1000 millihenry and R is 100. So it comes out to be 1 by 1000. So lambda comes out to be 1000, right? Now putting this value of lambda back into the equation of half-life, we get this half-life to be 0.693 over 1000, and the unit being in seconds, writing it as 6.93 into 10 to the power minus 4 seconds.